In this video, we'll be discussing a very crucial topic, how to remember math formulas. Formulas are something most of us struggle with, and remembering them is just not enough. In this video, I will explain to you how to remember math formulas. Along with this video, there will also be a resource booklet, which you can all access from the link in the description. Anyways, on with the video. So the trick itself is to understand the formulas rather than remembering them. Understanding will help you in questions where a fixed formula is not applicable. In my resource booklet, I have mentioned the understanding behind a few formulas for 3D figures where this is applicable. Understanding will help you in questions where a fixed formula is not applicable. It will help you in questions where a composite figure or a joint 3D figure which doesn't have a specific shape is given to you and you're asked for its surface area or volume. And also in some questions you are asked to find the surface area or volume of a specific part of a 3D figure, like the curved part of a cylinder or the curved part of a cone, and you don't know that because, well, you didn't learn the exact formula for the curved part of the cone or the exact formula for the curved part of the cylinder. That's why understanding a formula is better than remembering a fixed formula, which is sometimes not applicable. So understanding a formula for 3D figures is really simple. You have to find its net. For shapes like cylinders, cubes, and cones, pyramids, you can find their net easily. Okay, so net is just the 2D representation of a 3D figure. In my booklet, I have given nets of shapes, and I have shown you why a specific formula is applicable there. Finding the net or making the net of a specific 3D figure will help you in deriving its formula. Let's suppose you are asked to find the curved surface area of a cone. First of all, you don't know if it's pi r square or pi r L. You don't know that. So to find that out, it's really simple. You draw the net, and then you see that the net is made up of one curved part and one circle. The circle has an area of pi r square, which means the curved surface will have an area of pi r L. That's how understanding formulas will help you to find a specific volume or surface area of a specific part. Thank you for watching.